Hi guys, welcome back to another training video. In this video, we'll learn how to mask image to text in Figma. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to create the mask, let's type our text. Click your text tool and type anywhere on the canvas. Here I'll just type nature, and the fonts I have used is Poppins bold, and the size you can keep it to 180, so it will fill the entire image. Make sure your text is behind the image you want to mask. Like right now, our text is on top of image 1, which you can see under the layers panel over here. So grab your text, what you have typed. Here I have typed nature. I'll click and drag it below image 1. So now our text is behind image 1. So now click and drag both of this, the image and the text behind it. Once you have done that, come to the properties panel on the right side. Here it shows two are selected, two items, and then you see this tool, use as mask. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will mask the image into the text. And if you want to change the position of the image, just double click on it, and now you can just move the image up and down and adjust it to your liking. Same thing you can do for the next two images. I will again click my text tool over here, and I will just type here again. I will type here nature, and I will place it here again in the center, and then again come to the layers menu over here and grab your image tool and just place it on top of the text which we created. And now again click and drag these two items, then go into the properties panel on the right and again click on use as mask. So here we have created our second image as well. If you want to adjust the image, just double click on it and just move it as per your liking. Now let's do it for the third image. Again I'll click my text tool and I will type here nature, and I will just click and drag over here, and I will click on image 3 under the layers panel over here, and I will just click and drag all the way to the top so the text is behind the image. Then I will click and drag these two items, and then I will go to the properties panel here and just click on use as mask. So again you can adjust the image as per your liking, and I'll just bring these closer to each other so you can just see what we had, so you can just see what we have created. So there you go guys, this is a simple and easy way to mask image into text in Figma.